Animals by Alex G. So, the first chord, you start on the 3rd fret and you bar it with your finger, and then from there it's the 5th and the 7th frets on the 3rd and 4th strings. And then you just play the first 4 strings. It's a bit of a stretch and not easy to kind of switch between the chords, but that's where you got to play. And then you slide it up, you get rid of your middle finger from the 3rd string and slide this shape up to here, where this finger's on the 10th fret of the 1st string and this finger's on the 12th fret of the 4th string, and then you play it and slide up to the 14th fret. Like that. And after that, you slide down to the 7th and the 9th frets, and then once again you slide up 2 frets up to the 11th fret, like that. And this bit actually has a little bend in it on this string. So you do yeah, so and then you end it down here on the 7th fret. It's got 2 bends, yeah, like that. And then you repeat that bit, that section, starting from that. And then before the chorus, when you get to this fret here, sorry, this chord, instead of, on the last strum, instead of going down here back to the 7th fret, after the bend you just play this chord again. It's the bites my hand when I go wrong, that bit. And then you get into the chorus, which is you only play the middle 4 strings, and you start on the 3rd fret of the 5th string over here, and then the 4th string is played open, and then the 3rd string is 4th fret and the 2nd string is 5th fret, like that. I will put the chords up on the screen, but yeah, you just, and then slide it up by 2. Remove your middle finger from the 3rd string and slide it by 3 and play that, so the whole thing looks a bit like. And you just play it with how it goes in the song. So yeah, it's Animals by Alex G. Thank you.